All right, you guys, I'm getting my first dental checkup. What's it called? What's it when you're cleaning?
Comprehensive exam.
Comprehensive exam. And what does that entail?
That entails us looking at your x-rays to see if you have cavities between your teeth, to see if you need a cleaning or if you're due for a cleaning, and to check your gums to see if you have gum disease.
Oh, all right, good. Well, we're doing this live. No edit. No, so you're going to see exactly what's going on. I probably have a million diseases. That'll be great. So anyway, we're here at Total Dental Care. Dr. Mary Alexander is taking care of me today. So here we go.
First thing I do is what we call the head and neck cancer screen.
Okay.
Swallow for me, please. Thank you. And we're feeling for lumps and bumps. See if there's anything unusual, and if you can open your mouth and close, you have a pop.
Yeah.
In your jaw joint right here. Does that hurt?
Yeah. I almost feel like I have a little TMJ. You know what I mean? I can't open too wide. It hurts.
Okay. So can you say ah? All right. Fun fact. Your tongue print is unique like your fingerprint. Everybody's tongue print is different. So it looks like you do a good job cleaning.
Oh, good.
Got a couple of fillings. I'll check and see if they're okay. So based on what I see here, and based on what I see on the x-rays, it looks like you don't have any obvious cavities. All right, so now we're going to look at your gums.
The fun part.
So I'm going to measure the space between your teeth and your gums. If it measures greater than 3, that means you have a gum problem. And if it bleeds, that means you have a slight problem. And this area right here has a little bit of inflammation. Uh-oh, we've got a pocket here of 5 millimeters. So that means that we've got an isolated area. So you're brushing your teeth pretty aggressively. It's about 5 millimeters of recession, and all of your attached gum tissue is gone. So you're going to need to have a procedure here, with some inflammation here. The gum's a little red, and some lunch. So far, I have picked up on a couple of things. You have some localized inflammation of the gums. You have an area where you have gum recession, does not need treatment because it's not advanced enough. One area where you have some gum recession. I would say you're due for a cleaning. But for the most part, I think you do a good job taking care of your teeth.
Okay, great.
All right?
All right, love it. We're off to a good start. TotalDentalCareMD.com. Thanks, Dr. Mary.
You're welcome.